we go.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Carolina Autos, my YouTube channel. My name is Eric Sill. If you guys are new, of course most of you are going to be because I'm really just getting started out. And I do a lot of filming with my 2019 Veloster N. Today I kind of had a question of, if I turn the traction control off on the car, is it able to do a burnout? And then for a little bit of kind of added spice, I decided to try one in reverse as well. So if you want to see how that went, obviously keep watching the video. We are trying to grow the channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you guys wouldn't mind just clicking on that subscribe button, even if maybe you're not going to watch any more of my content, of course I hope everybody will. But if not, I will appreciate at least the subscribe. I'm trying to get monetized by YouTube, and I have enough watch hours, but I need that 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys would take the time to do that, I would be very much appreciative. And we will flip over to the video here. Okay guys, so we're in the Veloster N here, got both of my cameras rolling. Hopefully the camera angles are good. Now to do a burnout in a Veloster N, I haven't done this yet, so we're going to try doing it in custom mode first, because that's got a little bit softer suspension. Maybe we'll get a little less wheel hop. I know wheel hop was a big issue on my 2016 Veloster Turbo. I don't know how bad the wheel hop's going to be on this, but we will find out. So we've got a camera set up outside the car, recording the gauges, of course. And so we're going to go into N mode here and see if we can get the traction control turned off. So we'll go to chassis, ESC, off. It says, do you want to turn off? Yes, I am sure I want to turn off the ESC. Okay, so hopefully, let's try hitting the traction button down here and see what it does. Go home. Back to our N mode. Alright, I think traction control is now off. Okay, so it says ESC disabled in custom mode. So we have to hold the button here on the steering wheel to confirm. Hold the button for 3 seconds, it says. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're in custom mode. Traction control is off. Handbrake is on, so we can, I'll just kind of drop the handbrake down as we roll out of the clutch. So hopefully this goes well here. Oh, hold on, let's put our seatbelt on first. Otherwise the car is going to yell at us as soon as we start moving. Okay, well that was quite successful. So if your question is, will a Veloster N do a burnout? Your answer seems to be yes. So let's go back and see what we did. Oh yeah, 2 perfect lines. Looks like the LSD managed that really well. Here, we'll get out so you guys can see our perfect number 11 there. Hopefully that shows up well on the camera. 2 Pirelli P0 marks. Looks like it didn't even hesitate to lock up that front diff either. You can see they both start pretty much right exactly at the same spot. So yeah, so I've got the car stopped about where the tires looks like they started to stop spinning. Didn't get any wheel hop at all, so if you want to do a burnout, in custom mode is the way to go. Turn off the traction control. Nice warm Pirellis there. Okay, so we've answered the question, will a Veloster N do a burnout? What I want to test now, and this is going to be a little bit ridiculous, so let's buckle up again. Will a Veloster N do a burnout in reverse? I'm not sure what the standard procedure here would be. And actually we're going to practice this once or twice before I just go for it, because this is going to be a very weird sensation, I feel like. Okay. It seems like it's going to let us do it. Let me make sure I'm lined up with my camera outside of the car first. Okay, looks like we got it lined up pretty good. All right, nothing to it but to do it, right? Okay, attempt number 1 there. Car didn't seem to like that too much, but I didn't hear anything. Sounded like it was going to brake. So we'll use the handbrake to kind of slow the back of the car down a bit while we do this. Oh, no. Okay, so it seems like it does actually cut the throttle a bit. It doesn't want to truly do a burnout, plus all the weight shifts straight to the front tires, which really makes it hook up. All right, one last try. I'm not going to abuse the clutch and the car any more than that. Okay, it will work, you just really have to push it. Hopefully the outside camera got that as hilarious as it would have been. So you can see the reverse tracks right next to, kind of inside, offset from the burnout we did to the front. So hopefully that was an interesting and educating video for you guys. So what happens is the Pirellis on the Veloster N are really sticky. And going forwards, it was able to break the traction and hold the burnout quite a bit up the road. Actually, I'd say that's probably 40 feet or so. But what happens in reverse is all the weight, of course, when you launch, shifts to the front of the car, which just gives the already grippy Pirellis even more grip. So it really struggles to break them loose. I don't want to do any damage to the clutch. I can smell what I think is tire smoke, but could also be clutch smoke, so we're not going to do that one too many times in a row. But yeah, so when the weight shifts forward, the tires just kind of want to grip rather than just spinning up. So if you guys were curious whether you could do a burnout with a Veloster N, there's your answer. And I'm sure if we turned the car around and did a front one again and I used the handbrake, we could just sit there all day light the tires up, no problem. I'm not going to do that because I just put a new set of Pirellis on my car at 4,500 miles because I completely burned off the front tires already. So the car got new tires, and I don't want to just eat through a whole nother set and another 3,000 or 4,000 miles. I'm gonna try to take it a little bit more easy on these. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and anything else you guys want to see me do with this thing, just let me know. I don't mind, you know, if you guys want to see some handbrake turns or something like that, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.